Is your iPhone 15 acting up and you're ready to hit the reset button? Today, we're diving into how to factory reset your iPhone 15 or 15 Pro, wiping it clean and restoring it to its original glory, perfect for fixing persistent problems or getting it ready for a new owner. First things first, unlock your iPhone and locate the Settings app. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Scroll down within the Settings menu until you find General. Tap on General to open the General Settings panel. Alright, almost there. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the General menu. You'll see an option labeled Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on that. Now, you'll see the options Reset and Erase all content and settings. We want to completely wipe the phone, so tap Erase all content and settings. Your iPhone will now display a confirmation screen asking if you're sure you want to erase everything. Take a moment to back up any important data you haven't already. If you're ready, tap Continue. You'll be prompted to enter your iPhone passcode. Go ahead and type it, and this is just to confirm it's really you initiating the reset. Your iPhone 15 will now begin the factory reset process. The Apple logo will appear with a progress bar. This might take a few minutes, so be patient and don't interrupt the process. Once it's done, your iPhone will restart, looking brand new.